Analyze the elementary steps. Look at the two-step mechanism provided in the sources. Step 1. NO plus O3 gives number 2 plus O2. Step 2. Number 2 plus O gives NO plus O2. Track the species NO. Observe the life cycle of nitric oxide, NO, throughout the mechanism. It appears as a reactant in the very first step and is then regenerated as a product in the final step. Determine the overall reaction. Sum the two elementary steps to see the net change. When adding them, species that appear on both the reactant and product sides cancel out. NO plus O3 plus number 2 plus O gives number 2 plus O2 plus NO plus O2. After canceling NO and number 2, the overall reaction is O3 plus O gives 2O2. Apply the definition of a catalyst. In a reaction mechanism, a catalyst is a substance that is consumed in an early step but is regenerated in a subsequent step. Because it is present at the beginning and the end, it does not appear in the balanced overall equation, but serves to provide a new pathway, mechanism, for the reaction. Conclusion: since NO is used in step 1 and produced back in step 2, it perfectly fits the definition of a catalyst. The correct answer is option B, a catalyst.